Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make another classic, the Bahama Mama. Super tasty cocktail, tropical, fruity. This one has it all. As always, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need white rum, dark rum, coconut rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, and grenadine. Alright, we're gonna build this one in the glass. We're gonna start with ice. Half ounce of grenadine. One ounce of white rum. One ounce of coconut rum. Two ounces of orange juice. Two ounces of pineapple juice. And half ounce of dark rum. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, time for the taste test. First, we're gonna mix it. Cheers. Oh, this is good. I can definitely taste the rum, a little bit sweet, but also strong. I imagine drinking this by the beach. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the Bahama Mama. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!